Drip check, drip check. Yes, sir. As you can see, man. Let me get it out. I'm trying to get this part put on the AK. I got the Pac 9. My son taking his 22 out tonight. So, man, hold on. Let me pause. Let's get ready. Bow! YouTube, what it is, what it ain't. It's your boy Who's Be Lee, aka Black Picasso, Mr. Putting the Cheese on Your Nachos, aka Beast Boy. Say, fam. So, like I said, man, we about to pack up the car, take little Papa Kid to the gun range, man, work out on his 22. Maybe see if they can hook up the AK. Went to the gun show, man, didn't get too much footage, but we did pick up some things and we meet with people. I'm trying to get it to where I can get some promo codes for y'all. So when y'all shop with these people, put the promo code in, get what you can. Some of them, man, my people in Dallas, I'm talking to him right now. I'm going to put the link like right there. So you can shop with them right now. But sooner or later we get these promo codes for y'all. We're going to check back in. What? Yeah, I got you on video.
Oh.
Talking all that smizzle, schmaggity smack. Go and tell him who you is. I'm Papa Kid. I got my 10-22. My first rifle. I'm about to go in there. I'm about to let these things go. What's wrong? You got stuck? getting hard. It's just getting tired.
It's recording.
Right now I'm doing some double up, man. 45.
Man, love gotta be blind, I'm losing sight up in my left eye. Tells if you looking for a new member, I can be left eye. Count up on my hands and feet how many times I be left eye.